If you want to unlink your AliExpress account from Facebook, follow these simple steps to ensure your accounts are no longer connected. Step 1. Log into AliExpress. Open your web browser or the AliExpress app and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon or name in the top right corner of the homepage. Step 3. Find linked accounts. In the account settings menu, look for an option related to linked accounts or social media connections. This section will show you the accounts that are currently linked to your AliExpress profile. Step 4. Unlink Facebook. Locate the Facebook option in the linked accounts section. There should be an option to unlink or disconnect your Facebook account. Click on this option to proceed. Step 5. Confirm the action. After clicking to unlink, you may be prompted to confirm your decision. Confirm that you want to unlink your Facebook account from AliExpress to complete the process. Once you have followed these steps, your AliExpress account will no longer be connected to your Facebook account. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to AliExpress customer support for assistance.